Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well, and today's video is gonna be about brochure, so let's get right into the video. What is brochure? A brochure is an informative paper document often also used for advertising. Brochure are promotional documents primarily used to introduce a company, organization, products or service. What is brochure size? The standard brochure size is 8.5 inches 11 inches, letter size. This size brochure provides a balanced area for design and text. And many more 8.5 inches by 11 inches. 8.5 inches 14 inches. 5.5 inches 8 inches. 5.9 inches 12 inches. 11 inches 17 inches. Which color to choose? Choose 2 to 3 color or gradient color, for professional look. Font, the most important one is font. Always choose bold font for headline or organization name. Second, use italic or lean font for tagline. Photography or vector? This is very important in brochure, if you are using real image or vector art. If you are using real image, use the type of image example, and second option, if you are using vector image, use the type of image example. Don't use both. I hope today's video is useful to you. So be creative.